Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Math Hub. I am going to discuss question number 4 Roman 1 exercise 4.3 that has been taken from chapter 4 determinants in CRT 12 mathematics. That question is question number 4 Roman 1 exercise 4.3 equal to find the equation of line joining the coordinates 1 2 and coordinates 3 6 using determinants. Here I shall write solution. Let us see how this question is going to be solved here. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, first of all, go through the given statement twice and thrice. Mark the key points with the help of pinpoint pencil, and after that make a sketch diagram and decide which formula or concept we are going to apply here. Here you can see equation. We have to find the line of equation joining point 1 2 and point 36 using determinant. So here I shall write, let the given points A, B coordinates 1 2 and B coordinates 3 6 and again let point C whose coordinates xy lies on the given line. Then you can see point 1 2, point 3 6, the line joining the point 1 2 and point 3 6 extended up to point C whose coordinates are xy lie in the same plane or lie in the straight line. In this case, the area of rectangle formed by all these points comes out to be 0. Here it says by using determinant methods. If I make a triangle whose vertices are A coordinates 1 2, B coordinates 3 6, C coordinates xy. The point A, the point B and point C are lying in a straight line when the area of triangle formed by the point A and B and C comes out to be 0. So here I shall write the area of triangle having PTS A 1 2, B 3 6 and C xy. The area of triangle having PTS means point A coordinates 1 2, B coordinate 3 6, C coordinates xy equal to 0. When all these points lie on a straight line. Then that equal to the point A whose coordinates are 1, 2, be x1, y1. That equal to that. In place of x1, I shall write 1, 2. Here 1 is fixed. F2, y2. In place of f2, y2, I shall write 3, 6, 1. In place of f3, y3, I shall write x, y1. Comes out to be 0. If all these points lie on a straight line, this means that all these points will be collinear. All these points will be collinear. Points are collinear. Points are collinear. Then the area of triangle comes out to 0 here. So let us solve this one. Here I have found that here. Here I shall use the property. Here I shall write by using the properties. R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. This property I shall use here. R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. So this date will become, here you can see R2 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the second row. Here you can see R3 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the third row. There will be no change in the first row. So here first row will be written as it is. So here I shall write 1, 2, 1. R2 minus R1. If I take the element of R2 as 3, the corresponding element of 3 in the first row will be 1. So here it will become 3 minus 1 comes out to 2. So here I 2. If I take the R2 as 6, the R2 minus R1, the corresponding element of 6 in the first row will be 2. So here it will become 6 minus 2 comes out to 4. So here I write 4. Here R2, if I take the element of R2 as 1, so 1 minus 1 here comes out to 0. And R3 goes to R3 minus R1. If I take the element of R3 as x, so here I write x minus the corresponding element of x in the first row will be 1. So here I write 1. And if I take the element of R3 as y, so here I write y minus the corresponding element of y in the first row will be 2. So here I write 2. Here if I take R1, R3 minus R1, R1 here 1 is there, so 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. So here you can see first column, second column, third column. There are maximum 2 zeros in the third column here. That's why I shall expand this determinant along third column. So here I shall write expanding determinant along C3. Expanding determinant along C3. So here I shall write det equal to plus minus plus. So here plus 1 is fixed here, content. This plus 1 will be reflected here, and now get the minor of plus 1 here. Here 1 is there in the first row and third column. First row will be hidden like this and third column will be hidden like this. So you will easily get the minor of 1 as 2, 4, x minus 1, y minus 2. So here I shall write minor of plus 1, 2, 4, x minus 1, y minus 2 will be written. Now here plus 1 will multiply together. You will get here only 1. And here you can see in minor the elements of principal diagonal are 2 and y minus 2. The elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. So here open curly bracket. The elements of principal diagonal are 2 and y minus 2. So here write 2, here write y minus 2. The elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. So 2 will multiply to y minus 2. This will become, here write minus. And the elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. So here write 4, in bracket write x minus 1. Curly bracket closed. Now simplify this one. On simplification you will get here, open here curly bracket. These 2 will multiply to y. You will get here 2y. Minus, and 2 will multiply to come out to 4. Here minus 4 will multiply to x. Here comes out to minus 4x. Here minus will multiply, you will get here plus 4. Curly bracket close. Now simplify this one. Again you will get here det equal to here you can see 2y minus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled out. So here you get 2y minus 4x equal to 0, because since all these points A, B and C are lying on a straight line, this means that all these points are collinear. That's why the area of triangle will be 0. So here you have formed the equation. Equation you can see here. You have got the equation here. Implied that equation will be 4x minus 2y equal to 0. Let us see the answer whether this one is correct or not. Just simplify. On simplify you will get here 2y equal to 4x you will get, because minus 2y will move back to right hand side. You will get here 2y equal to 4x. This will become implied that y equal to 2x you will get. y equal to 2x you will get. So y equal to 2x. Here I shall write hence y equal to 2x is the desired equation. This will be the correct answer. Answer you have got y equal to 2x. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 4, Roman 1, exercise 4.3, chapter 4, determinants, NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.